In the past several years, we've seen an increasing of wildfires, deadly wildfires, like the ones in Lahaina, Maui, that claimed over 100 lives. It was the deadliest wildfire in over a century in the entire US. We had the Camp Fire in California. We had fires on the Front Range in Colorado several years ago, and even the Great Freeze here in Texas. All were basically chalked up to high wind events or inclement weather events that affected the overhead power lines, sparking wildfires, or in the case of Texas, causing a massive power outage across hundreds of thousands of homes, which led to a lot of strife and, in many cases, death. BURROW is basically X-ray vision for undergrounding, for tunneling for utilities. So what we're doing is we're using a much lower frequency than your typical underground or ground penetrating radar. And we're using that to examine for metallic objects like other utilities, pipes and water mains, and other things in the drill path. And by optimizing the process of being able to see ahead and avoid obstacles, we make it faster, cheaper, more efficient, and safer. It's a partnership with the University of Houston and also the Advanced Research Projects Agency Energy, ARPA-E, from the US Department of Energy. It's a really important project to us. It hits close to home because undergrounding is kind of a critical process for taking vulnerable overhead power lines and running them below ground, which has always been more expensive, but always been safer. So our objective with this is to take undergrounding and make it as cheap and as easy as running new overhead power lines.